Yeah, look at it. I mean, would you not come? If you're not completely the mountain person, then I think the Philippines are a good destination, and that's what we're here for. Then traveling to the Philippines just got better. Oh, and actually the Philippines has great mountains. There are some mountains you can get onto. There are some mountains who have some special fireworks effects. I wouldn't recommend to go on them, but all the other ones are really good and really nice. So even for them, it's a good destination, and it's warm. And if you go up to 2000 meters, it's still fairly warm. That's amazing. So let's get into the video about the new announcements from the tourism office and the government here in the Philippines. Right, let's get into the video. And you have probably realized I'm not a man of short words. That's probably a German expression, but I do speak with many words. And right, I got a bit distracted after my intro, so I'm sitting here a little bit further away from the hotel. Otherwise people talk to me and I can't record. So, but now let's get into the video. And because last video was so not very organized, I thought I make a little notes on my legal pad here in yellow, very American. Let's go. And first is, well, my name is Eric, and we're actually having a hotel here in the Philippines. So we are living here, my wife and me, and the hotel was founded by my parents-in-law, and they've been running it for a while, and now we are running it. And basically, so that's where I'm coming from. So we are working in the tourism industry, and we are trying to stay up to date, of course, and trying to give you the best information we can get, and no speculation. That's important for me, at least, because I kind of been reading lots of speculation, even in good news outlets around the world. All of the information I'm gonna say here I back up with links down below, so you can always check them out. Go to the websites, and of course there's in English here in the Philippines. Just simple for you if you speak English. Otherwise you can of course translate it with Google, because Google knows everything. Why traveling gets even better. Especially what is new is the list, the sort of traffic light system for countries who are allowed to travel to the Philippines is lifted. So that means you can travel from any country if you of course have all the visa requirements to the Philippines without being worried how high are your case numbers in your country with Corona. So that's a great thing. And the 5,000 people coming into the country is lifted. It's not completely got rid of. So the Philippines used to have reduced their daily incoming flight passengers to 3,000 over the pandemic, and then they put it up to 5,000. And actually now it's really cool, they put it up again. And basically they have still a limit for 5,000, but it's for 5,000 unvaccinated or not complete vaccinated people, especially Filipinos probably, who are returning home. And every vaccinated person who travels here doesn't count into those 5,000. That means airlines can fly more and really put up their flights. And that's two great things. That traffic light thing is gone, so that any country, no matter how high their case numbers are, can travel here if they have, of course, fully vaccinated and have the test. What other news? I need to look on my thing. Oh yes, the Department of Health has updated their list for PCR testing facilities. And I also got asked in the German video, the last German video about it, which test is needed. So it's a RT-PCR test needed when you travel to the Philippines. And that's the thing what you also get when you leave the Philippines again. And when you need a test there, you can look at their website and make an appointment. Lots of the airlines actually have made deals with those laboratories who do testing. So you can look on your airline's website as well and check and ask them. So Philippines Airlines have definitely done it. CAFI has announced it, the Philippine airline has already implemented it. So that will come as well. And if you book now and you come in a few months, of course that will be even better. What else do I want to say? Yes, you need a test, a RT-PCR test, and there's a link down below what's the difference between a normal PCR test and RT-PCR test. I didn't know that, so you need to trust other sources. I don't know, I'm not having anything to do with medicine, so that's out of my league. One thing, like, I can calm you, it's really safe here when it comes to the virus. So if you're afraid of that virus, you don't need to worry, because 98% to 100% of all tourism workers, not depending on the region, are vaccinated. That means you're probably more likely to get corona in your country, in your daily life, than you get here when you come here and you're just a tourist and you have to do with touristy stuff. So there's also a mask mandate, so you don't need to worry about that. Really cool things. And of course, one thing finally I want to say is about the travel restriction when you have a transit flight. So in the Philippines you usually need to change your flight, except if you come from North America. But if you come from Europe or other countries who are in that direction, you probably need to change your flight. And in China, travel restrictions for transit are really strict, especially in Hong Kong, but in other places as well. So I would still avoid them. But of course, you can probably find loads, especially now. If demand goes high, airlines can actually do something about it. So they can go again. And that's great. And I just think there's no reason not to come. And if you come and you might want to come to a little hotel, we are not on booking.com and all those kind of so you need to go over our website or on Facebook, South Drive Beach Resort, and you can find us there. Yeah, if you found us over this video or anywhere else, let us know. If you book, you will be in contact with my wife, and you can write that there as well. And if you're here, it would be really cool to know if you heard about our little resort and our hotel here on the beach. You can see it behind me. Oh, beautiful. Then let us know as well, and we can drink a nice cocktail or something non-alcoholic together, I'm sure. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please leave a subscription if you want to hear more things, and I see you in the next video.